Students, I am Niranjan Das, Acharya Saraswati Shishya Vidya Mandir Kabirpur, Jaspur. Welcome to you, my English class. ପିଲାମାନେ ଇଂଲିଶ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ମୁଁ ଚାହିଁବି ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ଗୋଟିଏ ମାତ୍ର ପଦ ଗାଇବା ପାଇଁ। ପିଲାମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଭକ୍ତ କବି ମଧୁସୂଦନ ରାଓଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଶୁଣିଥିବ। ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କରି ରଚିତ ଗୋଟିଏ ପଦ ଆବୃତ୍ତି କରିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବି। ବୈକୁଣ୍ଠ ସମାନ ଆହା ଅଟେ ଏହି ଘର, ପରସ୍ପରେ ସ୍ନେହ ଯହିଁ ଥାଏ ନିରନ୍ତର। ବାସ୍ତବିକ ପିଲାମାନେ ଏ ଘର ହେଉଛି ବୈକୁଣ୍ଠ। ବୈକୁଣ୍ଠ ଆମେ ଦେଖି ନାହାନ୍ତି, ସ୍ୱର୍ଗ ଆମେ ଦେଖି ନାହାନ୍ତି, କିନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ୱର୍ଗ ସୁଖ ଆଉ ବୈକୁଣ୍ଠ ବିଷୟରେ ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଶୁଣିଛନ୍ତି। ଠିକ୍ ସେଭଳି ଏ ଘର ହିଁ ବୈକୁଣ୍ଠ। ବୈକୁଣ୍ଠ ବା ସ୍ୱର୍ଗର ସମସ୍ତ ସୁଖ ଆମେ ଏଇ ଘରେ ହିଁ ପାଇପାରିବା। ତେଣୁ ଏ ଘର ହିଁ ବୈକୁଣ୍ଠ ସମାନ। ତେଣୁ ଭକ୍ତ କବି ମଧୁସୂଦନ ରାଓଙ୍କ ରଚିତ ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ କବିତାଟି ଆର ବହୁତ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଅଛି ଆର ଅର୍ଥ। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ପିଲାମାନେ, ଆମେ ଏବେ ଆମ ପଏଣ୍ଟକୁ ଆସିବା। ଟୁଡେ I am going to teach an English poem of class 9th, and the title of the poem is Home and Love. Of the poem is Home and Love. Now let's students see what about the poem Home and Love. So this poem, you know, is by William Henry Service. Robert William Service, the poet is Robert William Service, who was born on 16th January 1874 in Preston, England. And you know, he was a very famous poet, and he was very popular for his four collections of poems. Right, students? So this is a very fine piece of poem for you, Home and Love. So you know, students, the poet through this poem wants to convey us that home and love, they are so closely related. They are so closely related that it is impossible to think the meaning of one without another. Right? ତେଣୁ ଘର ଏବଂ ମମତା ये शब्द दुईटा एत निबिड़ एम भर संपर्क एत निबिड़ भाव आबद्ध जे गोटी को छाड़िले अन्यटर किसी माने ही न था। ठीक अच्छे पे। सो आम होम सराउंडिंग, सो वन्स ए पोएट सेड होम स्वीट होम, देयर इज नो प्लेस स्वीटर देन होम। घर ही स्वर्ग, माने I mean, home is the only paradise, and we enjoy the pleasures of heaven in our home surroundings. Okay, तो घर एवं ममता ये दुटा अंगांगी भाव जड़ित, they are so closely related, and if one try to divide it from each other, one can, because it is impossible to divide or to different from each other. So home and love are so closely related. माने एते निबिड़ समान संपर्क अच्छी जे गोटी को छाड़ी अन्यटर किसी मूल्य ही न थाए। तेणु आम देखा सो पे बर्तमान आम just home and love, the words are small. Four little letters onto each, and yet you will not find in all the wide and gracious range of speech. So first, let's understand what does the poet want to say. Home and love. You see, home and love both begin with a capital letter because the poet wants to focus particularly on these two words, home and love. That's why they begin with the capital letter. The poet wants to stress on these two letters particularly. So home and love, the words are small. These two words, home and love, very small, and the four little letters onto each. Only four letters: HOME, LOVE. There are only four letters. They consist these two words, home and love. So actually, the words are very small, but yet you will not find in all the wide and gracious range of speech. So try to understand particularly this line, children. Home and love are very small words, and only four letters make these two words. But although very small in size, but their meaning, their importance is so vast that one cannot imagine. It is beyond imagination. So the importance, the value of this particular two words, home and love, is so vast, so great that it is quite beyond of imagination. হোম ও লভ ঘর মমতা এ শব্দ দুইটা ବହୁତ ଛୋଟ ଶବ୍ଦ ଦୁଇଟା ମାତ୍ର ଚାରିଟା ଅକ୍ଷରରେ ଏ ଶବ୍ଦ ତିଆରି ହେଉଛି ଲେଟରରେ, ଠିକ ଅଛି ପିଲାମାନେ। କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ଛୋଟ ଶବ୍ଦ ହେଲେ ବି ଏମାନଙ୍କର ଅର୍ଥ ଏତେ ବ୍ୟାପକ, ଆମେ ଏଟାକୁ ସାଧାରଣ ଭାଷାରେ କେବେ ପ୍ରକାଶ କରିପାରିବାନି। ୱାର୍ଡସ୍ ଫେଲ୍ ଟୁ explain the importance and the value of the word home and love, right? So the wide and gracious range, wide means vistruta, vast, gracious means pleasant, gracious, pleasant, আনন্দদায়ক। So the value of the importance of home and love is so vast that it is beyond imagination. So it is so great. The wide and gracious range of speech to more so tenderly complete. Tenderly means tenderly, very softly or caringly. Tenderly means gentle, caring, gentle or caring. Gracious, pleasant and sweet. Pleasant, sweet, what can you say? So gracious and tender. Tenderly complete. So these two words, particularly home and love, they are completed. How they complete? ସେମାନେ କେମିତି ପରିପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ନା very tenderly, so sweetly and so caringly, right students? So to more so tenderly complete, when angels talk in heaven above, I am sure they have no words more sweet than home and love. You see how sweet home and love, and how great, how vast their meaning is or importance is. The poet here gives a very a fine example. You see, comparison. So two months. This the word home and love are very tenderly and very caringly and gently complete. দুইটা শব্দ খুব মমতা বন্ধନରେ পরিপূর্ণ। ପିଲାମାନେ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛୁ ତ? ଆଉ ଏତେ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଅର୍ଥ ଏ ହୋମ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଲଭ୍ର ଏତେ ବ୍ୟାପକ ଯେ ଆମେ ଯେତେ ଭାଷା ହେଲେ ବି ଆମକୁ ମାନେ କମ୍ ହେବ, ମାନେ ତାର ଆଉଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଇମାଜିନେସନ୍, ବିୟଣ୍ଡ ଇମାଜିନେସନ୍, ଆର ବ୍ୟାପକତାକୁ ଆମେ ଯଦି ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କରିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବା ଆମ ପାଇଁ ଅସମ୍ଭବ ହେବ। ସୋ ଦ ପୋଏଟ୍ ଭେରି nicely takes an example that I am sure when angels talk in heaven above, angels, you know students, angels means representative of gods, angels, देवदूत तो आम कहि परिबा। So angels talk in heaven above. I am sure angels they must talk in very sweet words. ପିଲାମାନେ ଦେବତା ମାନେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କ ପରସ୍ପର ଭିତରେ କଥା ହୁଅନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ଭାଷା କେତେ କୋମଳ ହେଇଥିବ, କେତେ ମଧୁର ହେଇଥିବ, ଠିକ୍ ନା ନାହିଁ? ତେଣୁ ବଟ୍ ଦ ପୋଏଟ୍ ସେଜ୍ नो, when angels talk in heaven, ଦେବତା ମାନେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସ୍ୱର୍ଗରେ ପରସ୍ପର ମଧ୍ୟରେ କଥା ହୁଅନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ମଧୁର ଶବ୍ଦ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରନ୍ତି। ତାଙ୍କ କଥାରେ ବହୁତ ମାଧୁର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଥାଏ, ମଧୁରତା ଥାଏ ତାଙ୍କ ଭାଷାରେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଏତେ ମଧୁରତା ନଥାଏ ଯେତେ ମଧୁରତା ଅଛି କୋଉଥିରେ ନା ହୋମ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଲଭ୍ରେ। ବୁଝିପାରୁଛୁ ପିଲାମାନେ? ସୋ ହାଉ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ୟୁ ସି ଦ ଥିଙ୍ଗ ହୋମ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଲଭ୍ and how very interesting comparison the poet state. I am sure the poet is very much sure. The poet very firmly says that no words angels cannot have used words sweeter than home and love. They definitely talk with the very sweet words, but those words and the words the angels talk with in heaven cannot be so sweet like home and love. And home and love ro madhurata एते मिठा अछि से शब्द दिटारे जेतेबेले देवता माने परस्पर मध्यरे कथा होंदी स्वर्गरे से तांको भितरे एते मधुर भाषा केबे हेले व्यवहार करि पाउनथि बा तांको शब्द रे एते मधुरता केबे नथिबो। I am sure. Who is sure? The poet is sure. The poet confidently says that home and love are the words cannot be so sweet like home and love. Right students? बुझि पालो तो पिला माने first stanza, which of the two were best to gain? Home without love is bitterness. Love without home is often pain. Where is the second stanza? Children, very interesting thing you'll find. So to guess, gain means to achieve, to get. The poet, the second stanza extends the wideness of home and love, vastness. He wants to convey the vastness of home and love. That home and love, which is better of the two? It is very hard, it is very difficult to guess. And we cannot, and we are confused. Which is between home and love, which is the best? Which is the best? But it is very hard, it is very difficult to guess. Home without love, why it is so difficult? Why we cannot guess which is the best, either home or love? Because home without love is bitterness. Bitterness कहले माने कोन की? कोन? तिक्तता, bitterness. Home without love तिक्तता बोलते, क्रोध, हम से अर्थ व्यवहार कर परिबा सो व्हाई इट इज सो डिफिकल्ट टू गेस which of the two were best to gain because home without love is bitterness. Similarly, love without home is often pain. Right students? घर ममता बिना भल पाइबा बिना स्नेह ममता बिना जो घरे स्नेह ममता भल पाइबा बुझामणा ठीक घरे नाही से घरे केवल तिक्तता ही तिक्तता बुझिपार से घरे केवल तिक्तता पूर्ण जो घरे स्नेह ममता नाही भल पाइबा नाही से घर घर नहीं से घर श्मशान गारीहीन कहीं से केवल कौन घर हिंसा क्रोध तिक्तता ये सब जिन से घर कारण से भल पाइबा ना से बुझामणा ना से स्नेह ममता ना ओके पिला माने तेणु होम विदाउट लव इज बिटरनेस ऑफन पेन लाइक से भली लव विदाउट होम घर बिना भल पाइबा भी बहुत जंत्रणादायक यदि घर ना तेणु भल पाइबा ना यदि भल पाइबा ना तेल घर किसी मूल्य ना ओके सो लव विदाउट होम इज ऑफन पेन एंड होम विदाउट लव इज बिटरनेस ओके तेणु जो घरे कौन ना स्नेह ममता ना भल पाइबा ना सेटा हूँ तिक्ततापूर्ण ठीक से भली भल पाई घर बिना भल पाइबा भी जंत्रणादायक हो जाए से भल पाइबार किसी मूल्य ही न था ठीक है somehow they travel hand and glove if you win one you must have two both home and love so then the next four lines usi line no the poet himself says no each alone will seldom do seldom means rarely क्वचित seldom गोटे नेगेटिव आड कर मैंने ऑलमोस्ट नॉट प्राय नुहे क्वचित से अर्थ में नियंती नो इज अलोन विल सेल्डम डू अलोन मींस लव विदाउट होम और होम विदाउट लव can't do anything because somehow they travel hand and glove very interesting thing understand what is the relationship between hand and glove you see आमे ग्लोवटा कोड पिंधा जाए हाथ ही पिंधा जाए आउ कौन सी जगह नहीं तेणु ग्लोवटार उद्देश्य केवल हाथ पे तेणु से भर निबिड़ संपर्क अच्छी कितने सुंदर भाव में पोएट कंपेयर कर देख पिला माने घर आ ममता भितर केते निबिड़ केते निगूढ़ संपर्क एवं गोटी को छाड़िले अन्यटी केमिति संपूर्ण अस्तित्वहीन तार अस्तित्व नहीं लव विदाउट होम एंड होम विदाउट हैंड एंड ग्लोव ठीक हाथ आउ मोर ग्लोव रो संपर्क जेमिति होम एंड लव रो संपर्क ठीक सेमति सो इफ यू विन वन you must have two so if you one somehow wins one gets one or achieves one either home or love then another comes to him spontaneously okay जदि गोटे जने जीति जाए कौन सी बैटरी भी हो ताले आरटे तापा को स्पॉन्टेनियसली स्वाभाविक भाव में आसीबो निश्चिंत भाव में आसीबो डेफिनेटली तापा रे पहुंचबो कोटा होम एंड लव जदि घर अच्छी ठीक जो घर वातावरण माहौल शांति सौहार्दपूर्ण भल पाइबा स्नेह अन्यटी निश्चित भाव आसो स्नेह ममता निश्चित आसो खोजा पड़ो नहीं से जो स्नेह ममता भल पाइबा अच्छी घर तो से वैकुंठ हो ठीक है पे जोटी जो सुख तो एंजल्स टॉक इन हेवन देयर वर्ड्स कैन नॉट बी सो स्वीट लाइक होम एंड लव तमाने कोन हम बुझुनी पिला माने थे घर आ ममता ये दिटा एते माधुर्यपूर्ण जोटी थिबो दिटा जाको सेटा वैकुंठ ठारू आहुरी कोन हिजो उन्नत हिजो उत्कृष्ट हिजो से जगह जोटा कि कोन ना स्वर्गलोक रे भी थिरो राइट तुम पाई गेलो तले ऑलरेडी तुम तो स्पॉन्टेनियस निश्चित भाव में आसीबो बोथ होम एंड लव ओके सो द लास्ट स्टेज एंड इफ यू have both Well, then I am sure you ought to sing the whole day long. It doesn't matter if you are poor. With this to make divine your song, and so I praisefully repeat, when angels talk in heaven above, there are no words more simply sweet than home and love. The last stanza. And if you have both, and if you somehow have won the both, home and love, then you are the luckiest person, and you are the happiest person in the whole world. जदि तुम कौन बाटे दुटाक पाई कौटा होम एंड लव जमी भी होना कहीं तुम्हें बोधे दुनियार सबुठारु कौन भाग्यवान और सबुठारु सुखी व्यक्ति केमती यू ought to sing the whole day long. If one has own both home and love, then there is no reason why he should be so unhappy. ତେଣୁ ଏମିତି କିଛି କାରଣ ନାହିଁ ଦୁନିଆରେ କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ସେ ଦୁଃଖ କରିବ ଦୁଃଖିତ ହେବ. ସୋ ଦେନ୍ ସି କ'ଣ କରିବ ନା ହି ୱିଲ୍ ସିଂ ଦ ହୋଲ୍ ଡେ ଲଙ୍ଗ୍. ସେ ଦିନ ତମାମ ଖାଲି ଗୀତ ଗାଇ ଚାଲିବ. କି ଗୀତ ଚାଲିବ ଗାଇବ ପିଲାମାନେ? କି ଗୀତ ଗାଇବ ନା କ'ଣ ସ୍ୱର୍ଗୀୟ ଗୀତ. ଯେଉଁ ଗୀତର କ'ଣ ଅଛି ସ୍ୱର୍ଗୀୟ ଆହ୍ଲାଦ ଅଛି. ସୋ ୟୁ ought to sing the whole day long. It doesn't matter if you are poor. The poet firmly says it doesn't matter if you are poor. You may be poor, but that does not matter. That will have no influence. जदि तुम्हें गरीब हो पार कि गरीब किए धनी एटा जाति धर्म वर्ण गरीब धनी निर्विशेष रे समस्त कथा कहूँ से घर आ ममता जो दीटा सामिल अच्छी सम्मिलित अच्छी सेटा हूँ स्वर्ग ठार भी ahuri मूल्यवान से स्थान. Okay, so you ought to sing the whole day long. It doesn't matter if you are poor. तुम्हें गरीब हो पार धनी हो पार किसी फर्क पड़िबन पिला माने. So it doesn't matter if you are poor. With this to make divine your song. Divine means swargiya. Divine. When home and love are available at the same time, the ditango, if you want anyhow achieves both home and love, then he is the happiest person, the luckiest person in the world. Why? Because he will sing and sing and sing the whole day long that song, and he can then make his song divine. जीवन संगीत को स्वर्गीय आह्लाद भरपूर कर दे पारिबो. ओके, सो से गरीब हो धनी हो जहाँ भी हो कौन सी फर्क पड़ेगी. सो इट डजंट मैटर इफ यू आर पुअर. With this to make divine your song, and so I praisefully repeat. So then in the end the poet again repeatedly and very praiseful angels talk in heaven above with their home and love. So again the poet very praisefully and very firmly a particular line when angels talk in करे तेबळे देवता माने तांको भितरे कथा हुंदी निश्चित भावरे से कथारे से भाषारे मधुर कोमलता था ते माधुर्य न थाए जेति की अछि होम आउ लव ए दुटी शब्द रे बुझु पिला माने. So when angels talk in heaven above, there are no words more simply sweet. It's very simple. It's obvious that home and love are the sweetest words, and no words can explain the value or the importance of भाषा नहीं. होम और लव रो व्यापकता को आम वर्णना कर निश्चित भाव में असंभव कथा. So it is beyond imagination. So there are no words more simply sweet than home and love. Then very firmly the poet in the end he says at the end of the poem, the poet again repeatedly says that the angels when talk in heaven above cannot use so sweet words like home and love. So that's all about this poem, Women Love Children, and I hope you must have understood it clearly. And it is over for today. Thank you very much.